How to fix your Asus laptop is randomly shutting down or keeps shutting down. Now the first thing you'll need to do is open up the start menu and then search for view advanced system settings and click on it. And then you want to click on the settings in the startup and recovery tab. And in this window, make sure that automatically restart is unchecked if it is already checked. Now you will need to open up the start menu again, and you will need to search for power and sleep settings and click on it. And in this window right here, in the power and sleep, make sure the sleep is set to never. And for laptop, you have to do this for both plugged in and on battery because they have different settings. Next, you'll need to right click on the start button and then open up the terminal as admin or the CMD or PowerShell. It's the same. And then you'll need to run the following command, sfc space / scan now, and press enter. And wait for this to finish scanning and repairing potentially corrupted system files. Now back in the power and sleep menu in the settings, you want to click on additional power settings, and this should open up the power options window. And then you want to click on choose what the power buttons do on the left side, and then click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and make sure to uncheck turn on fast startup if it is already checked like this. Uncheck it and then press save changes. Now you can close everything and restart your computer or laptop from the restart button here, and this should fix the problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.